la 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 la. Huh? Oh, there's something different in the Monster Music Factory. Mr. Jukebox, do you know what's different? What? You're saying you love me? I love you too, Mr. Jukebox. Oh. Oh, you're not? Then what?
Dubop! Finally!
Oh, Doobie, we've got many heart trees around our Monster Music Factory.
I know, Dubop. Today is Say I Love You Day.
Oh, Say I Love You Day? What's that?
Just what it says. Say I love you to those you love. Dubop, I love you. I love you, Mr. Jukebox.
Oh, I see. I love you too, Doobie.
And see you later. I am quite busy today.
Oh, where are you going?
I need to tell everyone and everything that I love them.
Oh, everything and everyone?
I already told you and Mr. Jukebox that I love you. But I also love the clouds. I love the sky. I love the mountains. I love the water. I love the roses. I love the puppies. I love the wind. I love the sunshine. I love everything in nature.
Wow, Doobie, you love so many things.
Don't you love them, Dubop?
Oh, I love them, but it takes a long time to name them all.
Yes, actually you're right. It does.
Is there an easier way to name them all?
A song?
A sing-a-love song?
Yes.
That's a good idea. Let's make a love song and send it all around the world.
I like that!
Doobie Doobop! Yeah, yeah, yeah! What song should we make?
Kids English School.
Kidstalk